Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, right click on the start icon and open settings. Once we are here, we need to click on these three lines and just go to the accounts. Once we are here, we need to simply click on sign in option and just scroll down, and we need to enable this option. Use my sign in info to automatically finish setting up after an update. Enable this one. Need to close these. Then simply go to search bar, type your task scheduler, and from the search results click here to open it. Once we're here, expand the select this task scheduler library, and on this window we need to just find out the terms related to Microsoft Edge. Simply right click on it and click on disable. Again do the same process for this one also, and find out there is no more terms related to Microsoft Edge. So once done, just close the window and simply restart your system and your problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.